Hi guys, and welcome back to the Just Gotta Knows. I am Stephanie and I'm doing tons of filming because I have nothing else to do. So today I am bringing you Boxycharm. So I get 2 boxes and I've already opened them. I get the regular base box of Boxycharm, and then I get the Boxycharm Premium. So I got this box first, and then like 3 days later I get this box. Why they don't come together, I don't know. Do they not ship them from the same spot? I'm not sure. But I've been seeing everybody else's Boxycharm, and I'm like so excited to see what I got. So we're going to start off with my base box. It always comes with a card. Today's theme, or this month's theme, is Festival Vibes. In the background today we have Aladdin because I love Aladdin. Anyway, so in your little paper you're going to get all your items and the prices. First things first is Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Face Primer. I have tons of these because I used to get the little sample size all the time, and I don't like it because I don't know if it's just my skin, but when I put it on, like it makes little like it ends up coming off like it looks like grimy almost. So I don't know if it's just my skin or if I'm not putting it on right, but I don't like it because you can just smear it off. And then when you put your makeup on, like, it makes like little whatever. So if I'm doing it wrong, let me know. But for right now, I don't really care for this product on my face. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it. But a lot of people love this. This retails at $32. And it's a big size. I've never gotten the big size. I always have my little samples. So it's not bad. Next, I have this Elemis Super, I'm assuming it's Elemis, not really sure. Superfood Sika, how do you say that? Sika Calm Cleansing Foam. So I love cleansers. I have no problem getting, it smells like minty-ish. But I love this because I'll have one by my sink and then one in the shower. So this is $32 as well. And it's a big like size too. Next I got this Iconic London. I've been so excited for this because I've been seeing on the YouTube channel 7 ways to use this. And I'm all about the glow. So it's in like a little size. This is not their normal size, right? Aren't they like bigger? But I've been wanting to buy this, and the other brand, Cover FX, I think, or Cover, I'm assuming it's Cover FX or FX, I'm not sure. But I like that brand too. I'm like so dying to use these glow things. This is $41. I'm just going to swatch this really quickly on my hand so you can see that pretty shimmer. So nice. I'm loving this glow. Okay, so the next thing I got, and I saw everybody with this and I was so all about, I really wanted these little colorful brushes because I've been needing some like more eye brushes. I even bought some at the Ulta sale, which I'll be doing a video soon. I'm just waiting for all my packages because I ordered so much. They're like in 4 different packages. Okay, so these are cute and colorful. These retail for $30. So I love my brushes. I hope they're good. And the last thing, which I was really excited about and I've been seeing, I think everybody got this. This is a makeup eraser in Sunset. Look how pretty. Okay, so the original makeup eraser retails at $22. Okay, so it comes with this little paper. It's really easy. You can wash it, you wet it, and then you erase and exfoliate. So this colorful, vibrant side is the side that you would erase all your makeup with. And then the other side that's like looks faded with the tag, that's your exfoliation. Use a makeup eraser. Bye-bye makeup wipes. Bye-bye forever. Thank you for joining our movement. Your purchase is helping to eliminate the third most wasteful product in the world. Wipes. I know some of you that use wipes a whole bunch. That's how you take your makeup off. You know who I'm talking to. You know that it takes 100 years for a makeup wipe to break down? Buy this and save the world. No more makeup wipes. Myself included. I use them sometimes, like when I can't get the eye. But this is cool. I've been excited for this. So, for this base box, I love it. I love everything in here. The only thing I didn't love is this, but I know I can give this or sell this and somebody will love it because a lot of people do love it. So ultimately, I like this box. I'm going to give this a 9 because the primer is not a bad product. Like, I would rather have that primer than a cream. So the next thing is this Boxycharm Premium, and since I got this one first, I did look at this box. So I know what I got, and I wasn't that excited. So I'm assuming, okay, I got no paper in here that tells me what products I got, so I had to go on my phone. So, you know how you're able to choose one item, right, for Boxycharm? You can do that, right? I think you can. I get Boxy and Ipsycharm like totally confused, but I know that you're able to pick stuff. Well, I don't know if you're able to or not, but I think you are. But like item 1, these were your 4 options. Okay, and I will screenshot this and show you. Everybody was getting the Smashbox. And I was like, oh my god, I really hope I get that. So there was 3 eyeshadows and 1 pharmacy mask. Okay, so I got this Pharmacy Beauty Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. So this is a hydration mask blended with honey, rich in amino acids. It's to help revitalize and renew the look of dry skin. The balm gently warms and transforms into a nourishing cream, and you just massage it into your face, leaving for a smooth, glowing complexion. Okay, so I was really bummed that I got this, and it comes with a little spatula that's like magnetic, which is cool. But I was bummed because I really wanted the eyeshadows. But yesterday I decided to try this because, I mean, but it kind of smells like, I'm giving it to you guys, like I think you guys can smell it. It kind of smells like when you're going to like a spa or something, like, or you're getting waxed. I don't know. I just know I've smelled this smell before. But I put it, and it's kind of sticky, and it turns to white, and you leave on. It tells you to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. I left it on for 15 minutes. I've been really dry lately, so I decided, you know what, it's a hydrating mask, so let's use it, right? And it did leave my skin a little bit more glowy and just like not as dry. So I guess the universe knows that I'm dry, and it sent me that mask and not the eyeshadows. It says, girl, you have enough eyeshadows, you need the mask. The mask retails at $38. Like I said, this box didn't come with a paper, so I'm looking at my phone, okay? So the next thing that I'm going to pull out is this Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. And this retails for $26. I'm just going to show you the wand here, which it looks nice, I guess. Anyways, this is okay. I just got a mascara in my Ipsy box, so like I said, I don't hate mascaras. It's whatever. The next thing I got is this Juice Beauty Fido Pigments Liquid Lip. It's in this shade. I don't know if I'm going to like it. That's a pretty color, though. I'm going to keep it. Love it. Love the shade. Hope it lasts. We'll find out. This lip retails at $24. This is okay. I mean, they had way better stuff, but whatever. Like for item 1, I would have rather had the shadow than this, but I mean, it's okay. So for item 2, it was between the Stila Eye primer, a face cream, and the Becca Blush. I got the Becca Blush in shade. It's like a little baby. I got it in the shade Carmela, which I don't know.
Street rat, remember? There's a law. She's got to marry a prince. She deserves it.
I don't know. I mean, that's okay color. I'm just kind of darky, so I need like a darky. But it's a little babyish, unless this is their normal size. But I've had a bigger one. But it was a highlighter. But this is okay. This is $34. I guess out of item 2, I would have preferred this. Okay, so for item 3, it was between a duo of blush and then it was a replenishing cream. Out of those two, so I wouldn't have wanted the blush. I mean, I just got the blush, so I got the Fido Age Away Replenishing Cream. This retails at $65. This is an intensely hydrating, firming cream formulated for dry, mature. I have mature skin. Enriched with avocado and melissa organic oils. I can't read it small. Significantly decreased wrinkle depth. Okay, I need this. And boost hydration and firmness. Okay, I'm not mad about this. I'm gonna actually try this. But this retails at $65 and it's such a little like bottle, so I'm gonna keep this and use it. Item 4 is between like a spray that's for hair or Opulent Beauty Crystal Clear 3-piece brush collection. This is for like face. This retails at $40. And I could always use some more of these brushes. There's like a blush one. Just 3 different brushes. So I have a lot, but I mean, maybe it's time to throw some old ones out, right? Even though I kind of just got them. So those were the 6 items I got for my premium. Which, I mean, out of the 4 items that they show, what these were 2 like extra things for item 5 and item 6, which I didn't see what the other options were. But I was kind of not as, like, I was real disappointed, I'm not gonna lie, when I opened my box because I didn't have any eyeshadows. But I really do need this, so I'm not mad. I don't hate my box. It's just not as like, ooh, as they have been. But I'm gonna give this box a 7. Because I don't love anything. I'm not like, yes. Like, if I would have gotten those Smashbox eyeshadow palette, I would have been like, yes, I love it. But to be really honest, I should probably give it an 8. Because these 2 things I need. You know, skincare doesn't get... Does skincare get y'all excited? It doesn't for me, but it should because I need it now. But, I don't really like the lip because, look, it ended up on my leg. It is not a stain, guys. It's more like a gloss. Yep. All over my leg. Anyways, I don't like the gloss. Anyways, these are good items that I would need. So, this I've already tried out. And this, in one use, I noticed a slight difference. In just one use. So, I'm going to try it from now on. Every day. I mean, does it tell me how often to use it? It doesn't say use it every other day or whatever, but so then I'm gonna use this and then I'll use this. So, I mean, I changed my mind. I give my box an 8. I still love the other one, my base box, more than I do my premium. So, I have 2 more hauls coming soon. I have an Ulta haul because I got a lot of stuff in the sale. I got sale items from Ulta from that spring sale. And then I have a small little Poshmark haul. And then I'm ordering stuff from Sephora because our VIB sale. This Sephora VIB Rouge starts today. And then I know like the other tiers start later on. So I know mine starts today, so I'm gonna go and look today. It's only 20% off, so it's not like I'm gonna buy a whole lot of stuff, because I'm probably gonna buy more of a maybe name brand. So sorry guys, I'm watching Aladdin. It's crazy that as a kid I would see this all the time, and as like years later I'm still like don't give it to him, Aladdin. But then Abu goes and saves the day because he takes the lamp back, and then we get the genie. Poof, what do you need? Poof, what do you need? Thanks for watching my video. I have more coming soon. Hopefully you're not getting bored of me. Hope everybody's doing great. I hope you're not getting sick. I don't even know what's going on. I haven't really been outside, but in my little area, numbers have been going up, and they're saying that we haven't even hit our peak. I may be going back to Houston soon, where the numbers there are a little higher, but it is bigger. Houston's been doing, for being a huge city, they don't really have the numbers like other places. So I don't know, guys, but I hope wherever you're at that you are being safe, and I hope that you don't have any family members or friends or anybody that's had this, because just from hearing, it's not fun to be going through. So prayers. Oh guys, let me tell you, I've been binging TV, right? Because what else is there to do? But lately I've come across this show. It's a series on Jesus. It's called The Chosen. So if you are into Jesus and you're a Christian and you haven't heard of this series called The Chosen, I highly suggest it. I liked it. I think it's pretty accurate, and it has humor, and so it's just, the message is still there, and I recommend it. This show is crowdfunded, so they're not like, they don't have that big Hollywood budget. They created, or they shot their show based on crowdfunding. So I have paid it forward. I have watched season 1. I've paid it forward, so people like you that haven't seen it can go and watch. So I'll put some information so that way you guys can go and see it. Season 1, that's all they have so far, because they're waiting to get funding for season 2, which I think they're kind of working on. But I mean, it's free. Go watch it and be blessed, guys. I'll see you soon. Prayers for everybody. Bye.